So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your account name in Exness. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Exness account. You can see your trading, your accounts, your performance, history of orders, payments and wallet, insights, benefits, profile. You can also see your open account options right there, and you can switch between real and demo accounts once you're already logged in. So opening this, you can see trade, deposit, withdraw, transfer, and the three dots. So if you click on the three dots, you can see adjust leverage, add or edit a nickname, account information, set read-only access, manage statements, change trading password, and archive. So if you click on add or edit nickname, so give this account a custom name to find it faster. So you can change your name in this case, you can change your nickname and you can add some specifics. So let's add something similar to an email that I'm using. So you can click on this and then click on save. Once you've saved that, you can change it however many times you would like. Just make sure that you comply with the rules on Exness, so it's not something derogatory or something that's really complicated so people can't find you. But if you want to change your legal name, that's not going to be possible because of the rules of your verification and your identity verification. Exness won't be allowing you to actually legally change the name that you verified with, that your ID is based on. So from that point, you can change it, but your nickname is very much adjustable and changeable. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.